Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up the Mystical Tarot Box by Awakening in a Box. I'm so excited. So there is a deck in here along with some other goodies based on the theme, which we'll see what it is. I haven't even peeked yet. Usually I can't help it, and I just like docked myself. Usually I can't help it, and I take a look right when I get it, but I didn't. So go me. So yeah, we're gonna unbox this today. We'll go through a few of the cards, but I'm gonna do a deck flip through on my tarot channel, Kitty Outside the Box. So I will link that down below. I have another one scheduled already today for a flip through of an oracle deck. So that will be up by the time this video is. If you are interested in deck flip throughs and pick a card readings and zodiac readings, check out my other channel. But I'm so grateful you guys are here. This costs around $45, I believe. I get it through Cratejoy. I will link it down below if you're interested in subscribing yourself. They also have a few other subscription plans, Awakening in a Box. They have a crystal subscription, and I think that one's pretty affordable, like $14 a month. I got that for a while. I have a lot of great crystals from there. And then they have an Oracle subscription, and then there's one where you get both the tarot and the Oracle deck in one, and that sounds really good. I think I've gotten that like once before in the past. So yeah, you can check them out if you're interested, but let's get this open and see what's inside. Now I know they send like the like note that comes with it digitally now, so I don't have that. Oh, I'm really excited. Let's pour everything out. Oh, there's something else there. So should we start the deck or should we start the other things? How about the other things? Because this is so freaking cute. There's a little spell bottle. So I should look. Oh, I was going to say let me look at my email, but I'm filming with my phone. They made this as like a little protection jar that you can take with you. This is so cute. And then it looks like there's some little rose quartz chips in here. I'm pretty sure it's rose quartz. Has a light pink hue. It looks more white on the screen, but I love this. And look how freaking cute these are. You can tell, like the head test. Remember I would do that for some things? These like are like, these are so cute. So yeah, this is made specially for protection. You can see little, there's some herbs in here, some crystal chips. That's awesome. So I love stuff like this. So magically made with the intention of protection. You can carry it around your pocket, your purse, whatever. And then here's some little crystal chips too, just to do what you want with, I guess, or carry that around as well. And then I freaking love sandalwood. We have Viva Sandalwood. So this is Viva's the brand, I believe, or is Nippon Kodo. These are from Japan, Tokyo, Japan. Incense, sandalwood. Oh, I love sandalwood so much. Oh my God, there's a lot in there too. That is amazing. Sandalwood is like one of my faves, but look how many there are. Usually you get like 10 or something. There's like 50 in there, or I don't know, a lot. Does it say? Sorry, I'm like, I'm just gonna sit here and smell these for a while. It smells awesome. I love that. Sandalwood is seriously one of my favorites, but okay, now the main thing for this is the Goddess Tarot. I'm so excited. I love goddesses. Let's see what the wrapping off. Oh, I see Saraswati's on the back. Oh my God, this is going to be awesome. I love learning more about goddesses, like their correspondences, all this stuff. So this will be really like inspiring to go through and work with. So the Goddess Tarot, created by Chris Waldher. And it looks like this is by US Games for those interested. Excuse me. But yeah, I'll do a full deck flip through on my other channel, like I said, and I can look up more information on it. So it's a tuck box. It has like one of those white like pamphlets for card info, which is fine. Can I get this open? Please don't make it difficult. I was like, should I bring my scissors over here just in case? I'm like, no, I can open this bag. I didn't even think about this. Okay, let's see, maybe we can get the bottom. Yes, I did it. So here's that. Here are the backings. So you can read reversals just fine. So they have like a card here that talks more about it. The Goddess Tarot is a celebration of the divine feminine, drawing its inspiration from the many goddesses honored throughout history and all over the globe. Award-winning author and artist Chris Waldher has created an essential tool for empowerment and transformation. Waldher is well known for best-selling The Book of Goddesses, from which some of the art in the Goddess Tarot has been taken. The Goddess Tarot uses goddess stories and imagery to update traditional tarot symbolism, addressing women's contemporary needs as well as a mythic past. This deck's 78 lusciously illustrated cards are divided into major and minor arcanas with 4 suits within the minor arcana. Suits are related to a particular goddess and the path suggested by her story, giving each suit a potent resonance. Cups are associated with Venus, the Roman goddess of love, and swords are associated with Isis, the great Egyptian goddess who represents the journey of loss and redemption. The pentacles are with Lakshmi. Oh my god, I have a Lakshmi altar. I love, oh my god, I love all of them, but yay. The Hindu goddess of prosperity. And staves with Freya, the Norse goddess of creativity and beauty. As rich in symbolism as it is in beauty, the Goddess Tarot is an instrument for personal growth and the reclamation of the divine feminine. I love this already. Oh my god. So let's take a few looks. Oh, I think for the major arcana, there's a different goddess on each page, and then the suits follow those 4 goddesses' journey. Let's just split the deck and look at a random card. The 9 of staves. So we have here, it's Freya, right? Is the stave? Yeah. The King of Cups, this looks like a man there. I don't know who that is. Yeah, so they have like probably gods in their pantheon. I love that Lakshmi is with the pentacles. Makes sense. Prosperity. All their choices are great. Oh my god. Oh, here's Lakshmi again for the Wheel of Fortune. Perfect. Oh my gosh. And then we have, oh, and there's some I don't even know. So for 15, it says temptation instead of devil. Nai Loro Kadul. I'm probably butchering that, but I'm going to learn so much. I love stuff like this. I love like tarot study decks, I call them. Like when there's like, I work with them a little bit and like study the images and like the meaning behind them and all of that. And it looks like there's some goddesses I do not know. Oh, I know Yamana, goddess of the water. Yeah. Oh my god, this is how we have Kuan Yin, of course. I have a hair like on my lip. I'm sorry if I keep doing that. It's like probably a little cat hair. 5 of Cups. Oh. I just want to look through all of them right now, but we're going to do it with the overhead camera. Well, I mean, just this camera, but facing down on my desk over there. Of course, Gaia's the world. Oh my god, you guys, I love this. So it does have borders. I know some people don't like the borders, but I do because, look, it says the card and then the who's in it, you know? Tara. I don't know much about that. Yeah. I want to look at one with Venus. Let's see. Yeah, these are cute. They're kind of hippish, but not really, because they have the character in them. Or the goddess, sorry, character. I can see. Yeah. Beautiful. So, yeah, if you guys want to see every single card, we'll do a full deck flip through. I'll give my first impressions, my thoughts, and then I will shuffle the deck and draw a card for the collective. If you're interested, I will link that video down below. I'm going to film that next. It should be up at the same time. Yeah, I still have plenty of time. It should be up, but if not, for some reason, it'll be up really shortly, sometime tonight. But that's it for today, guys. I love tarot so much. This makes me happy. So I'm going to go do that. I hope you are doing something good and fun for yourself, something you enjoyed today. But anyways, please subscribe if you haven't already, like this video, leave a comment, and yeah, have a great day. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I love you so much. Bye.